Nucleic acids, the building blocks of life. Just as these Lincoln Logs, the building blocks of Dalton's wonderful creation, nucleic acids are the building blocks of God's wonderful creation, we humans.
DNA and RNA come in the shape of a twisted ladder, such as this.
DNA has 2 strands, whereas RNA has only 1.
Nucleic acids are extremely long polymers made up of nitrogenous bases. In DNA, the 4 are adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine. Thymine and adenine connect, and cytosine and guanine connect.
In RNA, instead of adenine and thymine, it's adenine and uracil. This is a 3D rendering of a DNA molecule. The 2 base pairs of nucleotides allows for an almost infinite amount of combinations, making the DNA almost 3 billion base pairs long.
In recent years, we have figured out how to modify DNA. This is a very controversial topic in the Catholic Church because we are not supposed to play Creator, only God is.
In the future, we may be able to modify babies' DNA while they're still in the womb.
Yeah. Are you sick and tired of having babies ugly looking like this? Use the genetic gene jumbler to take your child from a scrawny weakling like this
to a manly man like this.
RNA is a very similar molecule to DNA and only has 2 chemical differences. The overall structure of RNA and DNA are immensely similar. 1 strand of DNA and 1 strand of RNA combine to form a double helical structure. This makes the storage of information in RNA possible in a very similar way to storage of information in DNA. However, RNA is less stable. The chemical properties of RNA make large RNA molecules inherently fragile, and they can be broken down into their constituent nucleotides through hydrolysis.
Contrary to popular belief, viruses are not actually living organisms. Since they require a host cell to reproduce, they do not fulfill the 6 basic rules of life. The way that they do reproduce is they inject RNA into a host cell. This RNA then embeds itself into the host DNA and tricks the host cell into making copies of the virus. Once there are enough viruses in the cell bursts and viruses spread throughout the organism. Another thing about viruses is that...
I'm a living thing, look at me. I'm a virus. You lying! You lying! I am a living thing, man. Hey, turn the camera. Hey.
An informational video by Dr. Michael Swenson.
Hey, didn't see you there. I was gonna go ask my friend Mr. Owl, how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? How many? Thank you, Mr. Owl. While I'm here, and while the camera's rolling, might as well tell you about RNA. There are 3 different types: mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. For help on this topic, I'm gonna call my supervisor. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, Mom!
Hey, sweetie, has your rash gone away?
Yeah, I was just gonna ask about the 3 types of RNA.
The 3 types of RNA are messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. Messenger RNA takes information from DNA to a protein synthesizer. Transfer RNA transfers that information to the protein synthesizer in a readable form. And ribosomal RNA helps in the process of actually making the proteins.
Thanks, Mom, that's really helpful.
When are you gonna come
Oh,
over
okay,
again?
bye. RNA is very helpful for all the cells in our body, and without it, we would all die.